What's good, everybody? If y'all don't know who this is, I couldn't tell you either, but it looks like Danny Dandruff coming to you live today with no eyebrows, so I'm guessing it's going to be an eyebrow tutorial, okay? Alrighty, give me a second. Alrighty, so this is what I use. We are broke on a budget, Walmart Adele. So what we're going to do first is start brushing whatever brow that you have. As you can see, mine is very scarce. Oops, sorry for the rock the boat effect. Anyway, so then we are just going to start outlining what we can see, which is not very much, but we are just doing an estimation. This is a visual representation of what it looks like when children color outside of the lines. Alrighty, we just had a little Mr. Steal Your Man moment. So we're just going to continue whatever we're trying to accomplish. Alright, so we just gonna draw a little crooked on there. Alrighty. This brow is starting to look like Captain Hook instead of an eyebrow, but that's okay. We will continue. So we looking like we are pointing downwards instead of going in the right direction. Whoever told me I could do eyebrows were lying through the cracks of their teeth. As we can see, this brow was a mistake, so let's hope we can get it right on the second. We're having technical difficulties, I'm sorry. It'd probably be a lot better if you could see. Alright, so this one just kind of appeared, alrighty. It's looking way better than the first one shown. Alright. Alright, let's put some chapstick on them crusty lips. Now we have our finishing product. As long as you keep your distance, you will not be able to see all the mistakes that were made in this video. I would not do this yourself. I would go to a professional if I were you.
Bruh.